hear it.
You'll definitely hear it.
What the fuck?
Yeah. Yo, hop in.
Alright, let's do it.
Yo.
That thing's fucking crazy, dude.
Alright, well, we gotta let it warm up anyways.
Alright.
So I'll just take it for a little cruise, I guess, but.
God damn. Holy shit. That's absolutely
Listen to how
insane.
much turbo noise.
Absolutely crazy.
It smells like a fucking boat.
Oh, it will. You're gonna be burning.
Oh, shit, dude. That was 3K.
What the fuck? Dude, this is absolutely
oh my
insane.
God. I'll put the windows up so the mic can get better.
That's holy shit. You can never drive at night again.
Oh my God, no. Oh.
That's crazy.
Let's see what he can do.
Shit, this is your house?
Yeah, it is. I guarantee they could hear that from that far away, though.
Yo, we've heard it for like a while.
Dude.
So you want to let me drive this or what?
We're gonna let it warm up a little bit more, but hop in.
Where's the room?
I mean, switch out with it. I don't know. Push everything over to one side.
Take a left here.
Yep.
Next one. We need time to get up.
Definitely sure.
Left here. Right?
Yep. Got it.